Online NRUF submission. The purpose of this session is to demonstrate the basic steps in submitting an online NRUF in the NANP Administration System, or NAS. In this session, we will cover creating a geographic Form 502, modifying a geographic Form 502, and creating a non-geographic Form 502. After logging into NAS from the NANPA website, to create and submit a geographic NRUF, select Request for NRUF. Here you have the ability to create and modify geographic and non-geographic NRUFs. To create a geographic NRUF, select Create Geo 502. Notice that certain information is pre-populated from the NAS profile. For purposes of this demonstration, all of the data in the profile being displayed is made-up data. The user must complete the rest of the information on the company information page of the online NRUF, such as parent company name and service type, before selecting the applicable utilization or forecast worksheet. To complete a utilization worksheet, such as the U1 for non-rural primary carriers, select Enter Utilization Data, then U1, then go to Worksheet. To complete, you can enter utilization data for one or more thousands blocks. Remember that a thousands block is 1,000 telephone numbers. Enter the thousands block, the rate center, and the quantity of telephone numbers to be reported in each usage category, then select Add. In this example, 1,000 telephone numbers are being reported as assigned in Bar Harbor, Maine. Select Completed Worksheet when done adding data into the U1. Notice that you are brought back to the company information page. Page down on the screen to select your forecast worksheet. As an example, here is the F1B for pooling carriers forecasting growth thousands blocks. Select the NPA for which you will be providing a forecast, the rate center, and the quantity of thousands blocks that you are anticipating requesting. Remember that 1 in a year field means that you will be requesting 1,000 telephone numbers. To add a second forecast, reselect your NPA and rate center. Enter your forecast data, then select Add. Select Completed Worksheet to bring you back to the company information page. To submit your NRUF, select Submit to NANPA. Notice that a tracking number is displayed at the top of the screen. Be sure that a tracking number is displayed when you submit your NRUF, otherwise your NRUF has not been saved in NAS. To double check that your submission has been saved in NAS, select one of the NRUF reports on the left-hand side of the screen. To see the forecast that has been submitted, select the Forecast report. You can download the report to Excel to retain a record of your online submission. Now let's modify your geographic NRUF submission. Select Modify Delete Geo 502. Again, some information is pre-populated from the NAS profile and some has to be entered. Let's say you want to add utilization data to the U1 that you previously submitted. Like before, select U1, then go to Worksheet. When modifying an online NRUF, the user will be required to select an action code. In this case, since utilization data is being added to the previously submitted NRUF, instead of modifying what has already been submitted, the action code of Add should be selected. Here you can enter the additional NRUF data, including the NPA NXX and the quantity of telephone numbers in each usage category. Notice that each usage category is defaulted to 0. When done, select Completed Worksheet. At the Company Information page, page down and select Submit Update to NANP. Be sure to get a new tracking number. Now let's create a non-geographic NRUF. To create a non-geographic NRUF for 5XX codes, select Create Non-Geographic 502 and complete the company information. To complete a utilization worksheet, such as the U2 for primary carriers, select Enter Utilization Data, then U2, then go to Worksheet. Here you can enter a utilization report for one or more codes. Enter the code and utilization data, then select Add. Select Completed Worksheet when you are done adding data into the U2. To submit a forecast, select the F3B Forecast Reporting form, then go to Worksheet. Select the NPA and quantity of codes that will be requested. Remember that 1 in any year equates to a forecast of the need for 10,000 telephone numbers. Notice that a forecast out of range error occurs when forecasting over 100 codes in any year. To submit the forecast anyway, select the Override Forecast Values Yes button, then Add. After selecting Completed Worksheet, select Submit to NANP. For more information, please review the NRUF information on the NANP website at www.nanpa.com. Located there is an NRUF online user guide with step-by-step instructions for submitting your NRUF online in NAS. Thank you for watching. Questions may be referred to the NANP Help Desk at 866-623-2282.